Action. This is a fs220. Alright, we're gonna repair the carburator. I'm going on full version. Alright, so this is how the carburator stay. So I already start cleaning it, but as you can see, the machine dirty. Alright, so this is the pump diaphragm. It's a pump diaphragm and a metering diaphragm. You have the 8 screw, and you have the L screw, which is high and low. So one control gas, one control air. Alright, so I'm going to start with the cleaning. Alright, so these are the 8 screw. Blow through, L, blow through. Alright, so you got that part sort out. So eventually you have to know your screws. Right, L, H. H always be the shortest one. Right, so install back diaphragm. Put everything back together. So get him installed back, right?
Remember something on the market when him not next one
Right. Starting?
Yeah.
Alright, so we have a starting now, yeah? Alright. So I already set the tuning, so I just cut down to the yard and